Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called "'Tis the Season to Sparkle Edition Vlogmas Squad, and that's hosted by the Home Decor Luxe Club, Lady Allie. So the host of this collab is Glam Elegant Living, Lady Allie. The co-hostesses are Creations by Simone, the Rodgers House, Amethyst Adventures, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, a Happy Hoarder, and DIY Design by CCW. So in this video today, I decided to show you how to make an ornament wreath, and it's absolutely beautiful for the holidays and I'm really excited about it, so let's jump right into it. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. So remember that you can make an ornament wreath pretty much in any kind of style or color that you choose. So now this would make an excellent decor piece not only for inside the house or your front door, but it would also make a great gift idea when visiting someone's home. Now remember that no matter what kind of ornament you choose, the process is still going to be the same. We're going to be going in a circular motion. So you can choose the design or the way you want to decorate it any way that you want. We're using a wreath form from the Dollar Tree. This one here I'm repurposing. And I decided to go with navy blue and silver in this particular video. So we're going to go around and round until we fill up that wreath. And then we'll continue from there. So let's do that first.
yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
So I thought that would be absolutely perfect. So if you like the video, click like, share.